Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate in Google Slides on real time. So if you have your theme and you want to edit the slide in Google Slide simultaneously or at the same time, you can just follow these steps. First, what you need to do is just share the slides. You can tap on share button at the top and choose the person that you want to share it with. And in here, make sure that you check this notify people option so you can notify so they can get notifications about this files. And you can also leave a message, for example, please check the slide right away. Okay, and make sure that their role is set as editor. Now you can just tap on send, and after this the person will be notified and they can open these slides in here, so you both can edit the file at the same time or real time. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.